Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another good one for you guys, and I know y'all are going to enjoy it. So today we're going to make the best candied beets ever. I'm not sure if you guys ever had that before, but boy oh boy, you guys are in for a treat. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Alright guys, this is what it looks like. I know I'm a little bit early for Thanksgiving, but preparation is key, okay? So I'm presenting to you this fabulous must-have for your spread this year. This is going to be the staple for your table, I'm telling you guys. This was my Sunday dinner. Yes, and the video for that is dropping soon. But this beets right here, guys, please make it and tag me and let me know how you like it. You can try it ahead of time before Thanksgiving and see if you really love the texture. So my beets, as you can see, is kind of soft because I've had that for about 4 days, which makes it the perfect beets to use for this recipe. It wouldn't take as long as the other beets, like the one that is much firmer. So first thing what we will be doing is melting our salted butter. Then we are going to add our brown sugar. You're going to stir consistently until this actually caramelized. Then we're going in with our orange juice. Now at this point, I want you to stir consistently, keep stirring until everything actually comes together. Just like that. Then we are going to add our cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger powder. Now I would have preferred the fresh ginger, but I was out of, so I had to use ginger powder. Nevertheless, it does not take away from the flavor. I'm going to add 1 zested orange and some good vanilla extract, followed by your diced beets. Now the size of your beet is going to determine your cooking time. All right, you're going to cover this well, make sure everything is coated well. Then I added a little bit more of the lemon, I keep saying lemon guys, orange zest, and some more of that good vanilla extract. All right, this took about 40 minutes on the stove top, and I keep stirring and checking at this point. I did also add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And when you taste the beets, if it's still, the outside is really nice and coated and the inside is still bland, this is not done. We want it to cook through and through, and you can taste the flavor through and through the beets, okay? So keep cooking this. I did spray foil paper and cover this and cook it in the oven for an additional 40 minutes. And this is what mine looks like. It is glossy, it is buttery, it is sweet, it is cinnamony. Oh my God, I just can't wait for you guys to try this. Please try this one and let me know how you like it. If you like the texture, you know, because it's different, but it's really, really nice. I absolutely love it. Again, if you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment on this video. All right, and I'll see you guys in the next video.